Now, so this is what you learn in secondary school. Actually, I think I took this from one of the questions in secondary school. You have 30 salesmen here. You cannot assume it's normally distributed. So now you have a sample of 30 salesmen and you survey and the ages of each of the salesmen were given as below. So 21 is 3 and so on. This is the working force that you have, right? So you're told to calculate the unbiased estimate of population mean and variance. Okay? So this is it. How do you calculate? You have this formula here. You need to know how to find this. What does this formula mean? This formula here. Okay. So first of all, let me explain. Sigma X, just like your sigma, you will learn sigma. You know sigma. Sigma X will just means that you take 21 times 3 plus 22 times 3 plus 23 times 4 all the way. Okay? Correct? So you find out what is the number of 21. Basically, how many x's you have x, like all the x here. You just multiply by the frequency. You learned in secondary school before, so you just take the frequency. Sigma x squared you learned in secondary school, so this is a recap. This is 21 squared times 3 plus 22 squared times 3 plus 23 squared times 4 and so on. Okay? There you go. Now, if you want the unbiased estimate, okay, the unbiased estimate of population mean will just be x bar equals to sigma x over n. In this case, it's 30 lah. I'm not sure what is these two values here, but I'll key in later. Then, after which, right, to find s squared, I'm just going to use the formula in MF26. This one, if I have all the data points, I can use this. Okay? This one is all the data points. Meaning, this is raw data. This is raw ungrouped data. Okay, this is group. This is raw data in the sense that you can tell how many data points you have and so on. Okay? It's not a spectrum of data like frequency. So you can use 1 over n. So you're just going to use 1 over n minus 1. Then you just put x squared minus sigma x over n squared. Okay? So just key in calculator. Now, take note. Let me go on. Bring out the calculator, please. Let me show you. Casio will do. Casio can calculate unbiased estimate of population variance. So know that. You can also use your GC but I'm going to show you Casio first. So if you use your Casio, go to statistics, and you get this part here. If you don't have the frequency list, go to setup, change it to change the statistics turn to on, frequency just switch it on. Okay, so this case here, this will be 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, wow, 26, 27, 28, just key 3, 3, 4. Oh my goodness, my life is 3, 4, 6, 7, 4, 2, and 1. Okay, so this is a Casio. Now, if your old model, I think is similar, then you go to the quit right here. Now, new model is very convenient. What the new model has is this thing called option here. The old model, I think there's a stats in front here. There's a stats up the one here. Don't shift stats. For new model, you just press option. Then you just go to one variable calculate. There you go. My goodness, everything is here. Shook, man. Look at the values here. Wow. Okay. Sure. Okay. Now, so I need to take note of this. Maybe I just show you this one here. You see this sigma here? This is sample. This is sample variance, sample standard deviation. Then this is unbiased estimate. The S stands for unbiased estimate. Okay, so it's same as sharp. Okay, so I'm just gonna copy this out first. It's the same as sharp. It's just like that. So you need to know how to read all this, huh? So maybe I use this is 1.8477. Yeah. You go. Then you change. GC is the same, exactly the same also. The signature I think is all the same. This one here, this is sample variance. Look at the symbol. Look at the symbol here, sigma x squared. This is sample standard deviation. Actually, you just square it or root it. This is unbiased estimate. Okay. Unbiased estimate of population variance. This is unbiased estimate of population mean. Of population standard deviation. Okay. Look at the symbol there. That's all there. Okay. So then you just need to key everything in now. Actually the answer is there. This is one answer here. Then this is the other answer there. It's all in the calculator. It shows there. Okay. Okay. Then taxes. Let's look at taxes. Now what it shows is this. If you have 30 salesperson in this car room and it represents the sales force of Singapore, this will be a good estimate for whatever you're measuring, the height. Okay. So for this case here, for GC, same thing, go to stats, go to calculate. I edit the list. So clear the list out first. Then you just key in the list here. Okay, jalat. Now I need to key in the list here. Same thing, key in the list. 22, 23, 27, 28. Then you put 3. Yeah. Okay, this is what you do. Got it ready. And then go to stats, calculate. One variable stats. List 1, list 2, calculate it out. You've done this before. So again, look at the what? Look at the symbol here. This one means unbiased estimate of population standard deviation. Your GC only gives the standard deviation. It doesn't give you the variance. So you just square it. This one gives you this one is a sample. This is sample. This is what you do in secondary school. People, this is secondary school, your answer. Sample standard deviation. Okay. So that's how you do it. Sample and